If I hit 10,000 subs and 1,000 likes on this video before the end of March, I'll do a 24-hour Hypixel Skyblock live stream. And you guys get to choose what I do and make me suffer. Right, on to what really matters. I've got another video for you guys. A lot of you complained about my last video. I get it. I didn't have the best possible setup. I got it this time though. You guys just need to understand how much I need clickbait in my life. I do have some pretty good setups this time to show you, especially after the Slime Minion nerf, which screwed us all over. I get it, especially after my video. I kind of led you guys into that. But I have another minion yeah, that works. I have another minion you guys should be getting. I do also have a product review in this video. Thanks to Maker for sending it out, but I'll get to that in a bit. So on to the big question, what minions did I choose? I'm going to be testing 4. I've got 2 slime minions that I'm going to set up, a sheep minion and an inferno minion. The first slime minion I'm going to set up is just the OG, corrupt soil, diamond spreading, enchanted hopper and enchanted lava bucket, nothing special. The next one I'm setting up is going to include a super compactor instead of corrupt soil, but more or less the exact same as before. The sheep minion I've changed. After reading your comments, I get it, you guys hate me, I understand. I'm going for a lush burb, super compactor, enchanted lava bucket and an enchanted hopper. Is the enchanted hopper necessary? No, definitely not. But that's what I've gone for. And boy was I surprised. The final one is the Inferno minion. I've chosen a Gabagool fuel, as well as a super compactor and a minion expander. This one was also quite surprising. Okay, so to get started, I just want to buy some blocks. This has to look nice. If it's going to be on my island forever, I'm going to coordinate it and have it look beautiful. So I'm just going to quickly buy some orange shit, and then we're going to move on to the white shit, and then we're going to move over to the green shit. I'm confusing myself over here. What's going on? I then mined up everything that I put hard work into and got to building cobblestone, because you know I love cobble. I decided to make platforms because of course I had to. It's not really a decision that I really get to choose. And of course I'm going for orange for inferno, white for sheep, green for slime. I know, I'm getting fancy. Right, so I'm going to place these last couple of blocks down and then we're going to move over to the glass. This is what is going to make everything look amazing. This also took me like way too long. I'm talking 20-30 minutes. It was pointless. Waste of time. I also need to build roofs. Making my way. Shit, I'm going to be copyrighted. Motherfucker. Oh yeah, apparently I'm not even allowed to swear in my videos, I'm just rambling on at this point. Okay, so I had the last couple of blocks to place, built myself just a nice little bridge, a nice fancy bridge, and then we're going to get into the nitty gritty stuff. I made also a big mistake. Okay, so the first one we're going to set up is the sheep minion. As you can see, I didn't lie, I don't think. Let's go and place that down in there, and then we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Slime. 1, 2, 3, and there we go. Lovely. Next, Inferno minion. See, I love this guy. Although I'm an idiot. I am an idiot. Part of me just kind of wants to spoil it. Let me put it this way. I didn't have a roof. I also want to go ahead and say, I know you guys are going to be like, oh, but that's not good because you'll need more Inferno minions if you want to make money. Shut up. I'll explain at the end. I also decided if I'm going to have an old school slime minion, we got to give him a home. We got to give him a home. Not a nice one at that, a pretty shit looking one, you know. I'm sticking him in a fucking dirt block or whatever the fuck. I don't really know. But it looks pants. Actually, you know what? I actually kind of like it, you know. It's not like the gradients you can get in later versions, but anyway, no. On to what's important, I just use the old upgrades, and we're gonna just leave it and see how they all run. Yeah, this is what I mean. So, me being me, I start building a roof. I'm building it. I will not die again, I promise you that. I do not die a single time in this video after that. So I placed some trapdoors, and pretty sure I rage quit after that. It was unfun losing so much money. Okay, so it's the next day and we're going to see how much each minion has made me. I'm looking forward to this. I really want to see because a lot of you guys were complaining. And so the slime minion made us 100k in 24 hours. That's not actually that bad. This made me, I don't know. This made me 48,000. It's okay. This made me a lot of money though. This made me around 400,000. That is insane. And the sheep was arguably the best given how much I made, 24 hours, and the price everything sold for. It's honestly so tasty. So that made me around 150k. That is very nice. So out of all 4 minions, I'd arguably say the best one was the sheep. As much as, yes, the Inferno Minion did make me 400,000, you've got to take into consideration the overall cost of the Inferno Minion, as well as the fact that the cost of the fuel also takes away from the profits you make. I don't quite know if I was scammed, but it cost me 900k to craft the fuel, and I don't think that was worth it. The Sheep Minion was a one and done, and makes me so much more money. Another thing I'd like you to consider is if you have got the ability to, having more Inferno Minions increases the overall speed of all Inferno Minions, meaning that you can get up to 2.8 times the running rate. Therefore, if we do 400,000 times 2.8, hold on, Alexa, what's 400,000 times 2.8? Therefore, you get around 1.12 mil per minion. That is a nice amount, but you've got to have the money to do that, and I do not. If any of my math or anything is wrong in this video, please let me know in the comments down below, but as far as I'm aware, you guys were right. The Sheep Minion, tier 12, super compactor, amazing, but you have to log on frequently, otherwise it's going to start selling it to the enchanted hopper. That's where I've gone wrong. I should probably log on. But before I log on, I've got a product to show you guys. This is the Epomaker HE75 Mag. This is a lovely keyboard. I don't know why I did that. Let's open it up. Ignore my extremely fat fingers. Now I want to just say I've already opened this up. I did actually rebox it just for this video. If I'm ever going to review something, I'm going to give you the full honest review. So off the bat, we're met with a manual. He's a lovely guy. No, that was a bad joke. I'm sorry. Fuck off. Epomaker, I have nothing against your manuals. All the manuals in this video were unharmed. So off the bat, it comes packaged nicely in a plastic shell. This is nice. I like this. It's presented really well. My fingers are too fat to get down the sides. Anyway, let's go ahead and take it out of this little plastic cover. And would you look at that? The purple on it is amazing. I have been using this for a month. Let me just give you a little quick twirl. Ooh. That's not very quick. I'm taking my time, aren't I? Right, so let's put that down and get to the additional accessories. Hell yes. Hands. So, in the additional accessory, it comes with a wire, which is typically better wrapped than that. That was my poor job. Sorry about that, Epomaker, not making you look very good there. It's all on me. Comes with some replacement switches as well as keyboard caps. Ideal. Ideal. Also comes with a keycap and switch remover. Use this correctly. Don't be a dumbass like me. And it comes with your standard USB to USB-C cable. Now, with this end is to remove the switch. This end is to remove the keycap. I didn't know that. So my custom keyboard from a while ago is covered in scratches, and my hands are looking very crusty. Hell yeah! Oh, I got a shaky camera. Okay, let me just give you some breathing ASMR mixed in with some really poorly recorded keyboard typing. Oh my god. So this keyboard actually uses magnetic switches rather than your typical mechanical switches, as well as it's also got a knob that you can go ahead and play with. I didn't intend for that, but I must keep that in. This keyboard also supports Mac and Windows, as well as Bluetooth, USB, and 2.4G. 2.4G, which means wireless dongle. So let me turn that on, and as you can see, all the lights have come on. Now this is my own custom preset. It's a mix of blue and green, however the camera doesn't really pick that up, unfortunately. Okay, so this keyboard does come with a range of different color presets that you can go ahead and use. As you can see, I'm just going to quickly change a few of them. So we've got dynamic breathing. This one is very nice, however it's not my favorite. We've also got the spectrum cycle. This is more traditional. I see this on quite a lot of keyboards, as well as we got stuff like drift. That's also very nice. And we finally got flowers blooming. I don't quite see much of a difference with this one, I won't lie. No disrespect, no disrespect. Okay, so I'm just going to do a quick typing test just so you can see how it sounds, although unfortunately my mic doesn't pick it up, so you're going to have it through my phone mic. I do apologize. If any of you can figure out what I typed, I'll be impressed. Okay, so there are a few things that I'd like to cover as well. So this keyboard uses magnetic switches which detect changes in like the magnetic field or something really sciencey. So it's actually kind of cool when you do the research, but I can't wrap my head around it. I'm not bright. You can adjust each one individually to whatever actuation you would like, which I love, although I don't know how to use it, and so I just kept it on the default. And to be fair, the out-the-box settings were really good as is. Additionally, it comes in a 75% form factor. Now, I like this. I do a lot of video editing and graphic design, as you can imagine. Therefore, having the arrow keys and the function keys I've just missed them. Having 60% is not it, trust me, don't go for it. Unless you game, in which case, by all means go ahead. Additionally, it comes with a 4000 mAh battery, which has lasted me ages. However, one problem that I've noticed is every once in a while, some of the keys won't activate. Now, I don't have this problem all too much. I've probably encountered it twice in the past 30 days. However, it's always been solved after plugging the keyboard in, letting it charge, and then unplugging it, which makes sense. So if you're wondering, the switches that it does use are the Gateron magnetic white switches. However, I'm pretty sure these can be swapped out. The Bluetooth 5.0 also works really nicely with my Mac, and I do like using it. Alright, I just want to give you a quick gameplay demo just so you can see how this beauty works, and what other game to play than Hypixel Skyblock. I didn't really choose my games. I don't have many games. Okay, I don't really play many games. Okay, we're in. I just want to have a little run around just so you guys can see exactly how this runs. It's nice. I really do like it. Smooth. It's reasonably silent too. And as much as I love mechanical keyboards, sometimes the sounds just piss me off, truthfully. But this, so smooth, creamy. Or as my dad asked, does it have thock? I don't know. Yes, maybe. I don't quite know. I'm sorry. The real question is, I don't understand how my dad knows about thock. So ultimately, for a $100 keyboard, I'm very impressed, and I would 100% recommend it. It doesn't really fall short in any categories. The wireless works amazing. The Bluetooth works really well. The switches feel really nice to use and sound great, and it just looks great overall. I really like that. I really like the whole thing, and it's definitely going to be my main keyboard that I use from now on. If you want to go and get it, the link will be in the description down below. And I just want to say once again, thank you to Epomega for sending this out. I greatly appreciate it. Anyways, I'm getting tired of using the same stock footage over and over and over. So if you enjoyed, let me know down below. If you have any problems with my minions, say it to my face. You won't. Exactly. Once again, 10,000 subs and I'll give back to you guys. Of course, you know me, I gave away 1 bill when I hit 1,000 likes. I mean, oh my god, I'm still recovering from that. Anyway, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.